Most students get this wrong when calculating the cost of studying in Australia. They only look at tuition fees and completely underestimate how much they'll actually spend. Here's the truth no one tells you. The real cost of studying in Australia is not just your university fee. It includes living expenses, visa costs, health insurance, and everyday spending that can quickly add up. In this video, you'll learn exactly how much it costs to study in Australia in 2026, including tuition, living expenses, and hidden costs that most students miss. By the end, you'll have a clear, realistic budget so you can plan properly and avoid financial stress. Let's start immediately with the big number. On average, studying in Australia costs between 20,000 to 45,000 Australian dollars per year in tuition alone, depending on your course and university. But here's the problem. That's just one part of the total cost. This is where most students fail. They plan only for tuition, and then struggle when living expenses hit them. Now here's where it gets interesting. Your total cost depends on three main things: your course, your city, and your lifestyle. Let's break it down step by step. First, tuition fees. If you're studying a bachelor's degree, you can expect to pay around 20,000 to 35,000 odd per year. If you're going for a master's degree, it usually ranges from 22,000 to 45,000 odd. Courses like medicine, engineering, or business tend to be on the higher side. Let's take an example. Alex chooses a master's in business in Sydney. His tuition is around 38,000 odd per year. Now compare that to Jake, who studies it in Adelaide with a fee of 25,000 odd. Same country, very different cost. Now here's the key takeaway. Your course and university choice directly impact your budget. Now, let's move to the second major cost. Living expenses. In 2026, the Australian government recommends at least 24,505 odd per year for living expenses for international students. But here's the problem. This is just a minimum estimate. Your actual expenses can be higher depending on your city and lifestyle. Now here's where most people get surprised. Cities like Sydney and Melbourne are significantly more expensive than cities like Adelaide, Perth, or Brisbane. Let's say John lives in Sydney. His rent alone could be 12,000 to 2,000 odd per month. Now compare that to someone in Adelaide, where rent might be 700 to 1,200 odd. That's a huge difference over a year. Now here's a smart move. Choose a more affordable city if you want to reduce your total cost. In a minute, I'll show you exactly how to save money without compromising your experience. Now let's break down living expenses further. Rent is your biggest cost. Then comes food, which can cost around 300 to 600 odd per month, depending on your habits. Transportation can cost 100 to 200 odd per month. Utilities, phone, and internet may add another 100 to 200 odd. And then there are personal expenses like shopping, entertainment, and emergencies. Now here's where it gets interesting. Small daily expenses add up faster than you think. Coffee, eating out, subscriptions. These can quietly increase your monthly budget. Now let's talk about health insurance. This is mandatory for international students in Australia. It's called Overseas Student Health Cover, or OSHC. This can cost around 500 to 700 odd per year, depending on your provider and duration. But here's the catch. You must pay for OSHC before your visa is approved. Now let's talk about visa costs. The Australian student visa application fee is around 710 odd as of 2026. But here's the problem. There may be additional costs like biometric fees, medical exams, and document preparation. Now here's where most people underestimate things. These one-time costs can easily add up to 1,000 odd or more. Now let's talk about travel costs. Your flight to Australia can cost anywhere from 800 to 2,000 odd, depending on when you book and where you're flying from. And once you arrive, you'll also need some initial setup money for accommodation, food, and essentials. Now here's a smart tip. Always carry extra funds for your first month. Now let's talk about part-time work. Australia allows international students to work part-time during their studies. This can help cover some of your living expenses. But here's the problem. Many students assume they can fully support themselves through part-time work. That's risky. Jobs are not guaranteed, and balancing work with studies can be challenging. Now here's a better approach. Use part-time work as support, not your main funding source. Now here's where it gets interesting. Some students reduce their costs significantly by sharing accommodation. Living with roommates can cut your rent almost in half. Cooking at home instead of eating out also saves a lot of money. Now let's talk about scholarships. Many Australian universities offer scholarships for international students. These can reduce your tuition fees. But here's the problem. Most students don't apply for them. This is a missed opportunity. Now here's a smart move. Always check scholarship options before finalizing your university. Even a partial scholarship can save thousands of dollars. Now let's talk about hidden costs. This is where most budgets fail. Textbooks, course materials, and software subscriptions can cost hundreds of dollars per year. Unexpected expenses like medical needs, travel, or repairs can also come up. Now here's the key takeaway. Always keep an emergency fund. Now let's address a common question. Is studying in Australia expensive? The answer is yes, but it can be manageable with proper planning. Now here's the final insight. Your experience depends not just on how much you spend, but how well you manage your money. Smart choices can reduce your costs significantly. Now, let's quickly summarize everything. Tuition fees range from $20,000 to $45,000 odd per year. Living expenses are around $24,000 odd or more. Health insurance, visa, and travel add additional costs. Your city and lifestyle greatly affect your budget. Part-time work can help but should not be your main plan. Scholarships and smart budgeting can reduce your overall cost. If you plan properly, studying in Australia becomes much more affordable and stress-free. Now you're not guessing anymore. You have a clear picture of the real cost. If this video helped you, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And if you want help estimating your personal budget, drop your details in the comments. I'll guide you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.